guys, I just got a new refrigerator, and you can see the presents are right here. But that's not what it's going to be about. And I got a new refrigerator. I am going to show. Oh yeah, and I also have these new chairs that I have. I'm going to show the new refrigerator in 3, 2, 1. It looks like this. Let me go further back. It looks like that. And you can open it. As you can see, I opened the fridge. Oh, that is. And I can put it inside of here. It looks like that. And then you can see the other one over there. It looks good. And then there's the top. Let me close it. And this was very expensive, so yeah. Don't mess with this guy. Okay. And we also got this one. If we can open it, you can place it down. And this is the background. And we got like some Hershey's chocolate right there. And I want some right now. But I can't have sweets. What the heck? Okay. So that is the whole fridge. And also, I got this chicken. Don't ask why. Okay, I'm just kidding. And you saw that before. And that's my schedule for Taekwondo and everything. And this is where you get the water from. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out. Merry Christmas!